here is how you can transfer contacts from Gmail to the Samsung phone. Let me show you how it works. If you're new here, definitely subscribe for more tips and videos like this. So if you are already signed in with the Gmail account on your Samsung, you just want to move contacts in between them. What you have to do is to open up the Samsung Contacts app, tap the three lines in the top left and go to Manage Contacts. This is going to give you the ability to move contacts, right? So if you click on move, you're going to decide that you move them from the Gmail. So if you are signed in with a Gmail account, you're going to tap that one and move your contacts to the local storage, right? So you will select the phone, right, or the Samsung account, or you can move it somewhere else. But the point is that you can kind of like move contacts between these storage options, so between the Google account to the local storage or to the Samsung account and so on. And this is going to give you the ability to move the contacts back and forth. Inside in here, there's also another option which is called sync contacts, which means synchronize, and you can decide that you add a new account in here and that you perhaps sign in with a new Google account and kind of decided that you don't move contacts, but decided that all of them are synced. So the local storage contains the same as the Gmail account and so on. So that might be another viable option. Depends on your situation, but I hope it helps. If there are some other thoughts you might have about this, leave them below in the comments. It's possible I'll make more videos about it in the future. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you later in the future uploads as well.